Hey everyone, I'm Kristen Coutts and welcome to Home Network's DIY Studio. One of my favorite things to decorate over the holiday season is the mantle. And joining me today is interior designer Michelle Thompson, who's going to show us how to style a mantle. We want it to feel warm, elegant, effortless, all without costing a fortune.
Thanks, Kristen. It is the heart of the home, isn't it? And I feel like the mantle sets the tone for the entire space, which is why you want to bring in timeless pieces and a little bit of sparkle. The key is to choose items that look and feel high-end, and HomeSense is the perfect spot to shop for just that.
Why don't we start with an anchor piece?
Absolutely. I love to start with something oversized like a mirror or a piece of artwork to ground the space. In this instance, we did a beautiful piece of artwork with a detailed textured frame, and I think it instantly elevates the look.
It's a great start. Should we add in some greenery?
Absolutely. I love to layer a bunch of different types of garlands to give a variety of textures and really achieve that luxurious full look. And then of course you can have some fun and add in accents and details like the really nostalgic little dried fruit we did here.
I love it, and it's such a great way to show your personality and really customize it for your space and style. But on a mantle, we cannot forget about stockings.
It literally would not be complete without some beautiful stockings, Kristen. And I say have fun with it. Right now, I'm loving really classic inspired vibes like a needlepoint or a cable knit. And the best part is you can get those designer inspired looks without having to splurge for just $39.99. And HomeSense has the best assortment to suit any style for great value. So you're gonna get a very personal, polished look and always elevated.
Lastly, are there any other decor pieces you recommend?
I always like to finish off with a little bit of sparkle. So whether you do that by adding in some ornaments or some mercury glass and candle holders like we did here for as low as $16.99, I think you can't go wrong.
It's amazing what a few key pieces can really add.
Exactly, and HomeSense makes it so easy to achieve that refined magazine-worthy look with the craftsmanship and details that you're gonna have something really special that looks like you splurged even if you didn't.
Well, here's to style, substance, and a little bit of sparkle. Thank you, Michelle, so much for joining me, and thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you next time on Home Network's DIY Studio. Presented in part by HomeSense.